mommy, please? Okay.
Alright, you got the first present from Santa. Gigi and Baba, Santa.
Gigi and Baba sent you this nice present.
Okay, open it. Don't move. Nasonia, don't move. Open it here.
Kai,
There.
can you open it, please? All the way from Japan.
Oh.
Kite, open it. You can open it.
What is it? Wow.
Oh.
What did you get, Kaito?
Kaito,
Let
show
me
the
see.
camera.
Oh.
Can you hug Anpanman, please?
What's his name?
Anpanman.
This is that. I love
You got Anpanman? You got Anpanman? Lucky you. Okay.
Okay,
Let's
what
see.
are you
What
saying,
else?
Gigi and Baba?
Arigato. Gigi Baba, arigato. Kai, go see Daddy. Go see Daddy. You got more presents from
stay
Gigi and Baba.
You turn to face the camera?
It's okay. What'd you get? Kai, come here. Go see Daddy. Daddy's gonna help you to open it. Okay?
Okay. You got something else.
Wow.
shoes.
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 Yeah.
Japanese shoes. Japanese sandals.
I'm open.
Kai, ask Daddy. Daddy's gonna help you.
Okay. How long are you keeping this thing on until?
Forever.
Okay. Oops. Supposed to do that. Yeah, you got Shinkansen train.
Kai, turn around. Look at Mommy. What do you say? Can you say thank you? Can you say arigato?
Arigato,
Gigi and Baba?
Baba.
Turn around.
Can I see it?
Kai-chan. Alright. There you go, Ma. Yay. What happened?
What's that?